Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about multi-index, or I can say index hierarchy. So let me import library first. Import pandas is pd and import numpy as np. Okay. Okay. So in this case, I already have the data frame. I will copy this data frame into description box so you guys can use the same. So let me explain to you what exactly I'm doing. So I have this data frame where product sales and revenue, these are the columns. So that I'm taking, these are the basically data which I'm taking in the dictionary. So in the dictionary, I'm taking list for every column for product sales and revenue. So this is the data, and this is the labels which we are gonna use. So there are two labels for proper reading. Let me break it down for you. So what I can do, plus I can say data equals to my this part. Okay, so this is my data basically, and then labels, basically this is the index and this is my index part. Okay, so this is the data and this is the labels. So we have products, sales and revenue, and then these are the labels. Now let me call this data frame pd dot data frame, and I can pass data and then this labels. So see, now let me execute this. Let me execute df. PD is not defined. Let me run this first. Okay, now let me execute this. It should be run now. So see, if you see now here, we have this data, product, sales and revenue. And in the previous video, we have already see how we can create index, how we can create multi-index. So this is the index 2020, 21, and then India, UK. So these are the index. So this is the multi-index basically. There are two index here, and you may have multiple like 3, 4. So it will be like break it down like under year I have country. There may be another scenario where we may have under year, we may have month, we may have category, and under category we may have subcategory. So depending on the requirement, we may have multiple index here. Now how I will access this index, let me show you. So I will type df dot loc, and let's say I want to access this 2020. So I can type this 2020 and I can run this. So see, I have this 2020 and then India and UK. Okay, if you want to similarly access 2021, so you can write that 2021. Now let's say I need to now call inner index like India or UK. So let me show you how we can do. So df dot location 2021 and then dot again location, and I want to access India. So see, I have access India. In India I have P3 product and sales 3000 and revenue 5000. If you want to access whole, so you can write df dot location and then this colon sign. So see, now you have call this whole. Now let's say if I need to access a specific column, so how I will do that? I can put comma here and then I can say, let's say product. So see, I am able to see product. Okay. So like this, we have two options. First one is this and second one, we can simply type product here. See, suppose I want to basically call product and sales both. So what I will need to do, I need to use double square bracket and after product I can put sales and then see, I have now product and sales. Okay, so like this, as per the requirement, we can fetch. Okay, so you have different ways to fetch. Okay, now let's say if I need to, first let me call df again. Okay, now let's say if I need to call India for 2020 and 2021 and 2022, I need to see the data of India. So how will I see? So there is a function called access. Using that we can do. Let me show you. Before even doing that, let me first provide the name of these index. So how I will do that? Let me show you. So I will call df dot index dot names. So if you see now, you can see there is no name, none. So how can I provide name? So I can use this one, df dot index dot names equals to, I can write in the, like this is the first index and second index in the sequence. So first is, let's say, year, and the second is country. Okay, now if I run this and after that if I call again df, so see, I have this index name. Okay, now I will use that part. I want to see the data of India for 2020, 21 and 22. So how will I see? So let's say df equals to, sorry, df dot access and then I can call India and I can say here labels equals to country. Now let me run this. Sorry, not labels, it is label. So see, now I can see the data of P1, P3 and P5, 2020, 21 and 22. Okay, if I need to see the data of, let's say, P2, P4, so I can simply say here UK. So depending on the requirement, you can, slice and dice. So guys, I hope video is helpful. Thank you everyone.